Look, it's so weird to get mad at a comedian for what we say. It's actually the weirdest. Do you know why? We're joking. We made the whole thing up, okay? We didn't mean it. But this is the best part about that to me. You paid us to say it. Do you know how fucked up that is? Here's how you really realize how fucked up it is. Imagine it all sped up. Like, it usually takes time to get offended at a comedian at his show. You buy the ticket a month in advance and you're like, oh, I can't wait to see you. Then you watch a show. During the whole show, you're just, ha, 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 you know? And then they say one thing and you're like, I don't know about that one part, but Then you leave, you're in a good mood. And you get home, fall asleep, you wake up the next day and you're like, that one thing bothers me, blog, right? That's how it happens. But imagine it all sped up. Imagine you could walk up to a comedian and you're like, hey, comedian, I'd like for you to say something. Here's some of my money for you to say it. And then the comedian's like, okay, blah, blah. And then you're like, you know what? Go fuck yourself. Like...